I feel like your brain needs a little reset button during a long workday. Meet the Kinetic Desk Toy Ball, a 39 mm precision engineered sphere designed to turn high-stress movements into hypnotic calm. By simply placing it on any flat surface and giving it a gentle flick, the machine grooves create a seamless, continuous optical illusion that looks like a never-ending spiral sinking into the desk. It's crafted from a durable metal with a rainbow A finish, making it a piece of desk art as it is functional tool for focus and ADHD relief. Beyond the visual appeal, the weight of the 1.54-inch ball provides a tactile satisfaction that grounded sensory tools often lack. Its silent rotation makes it the perfect office companion, allowing for discreet fidgeting during intense brainstorming sessions or back-to-back calls without distracting those around you because it's built for portability. It transitions easily from a desktop to a pocket, providing a quick mental anchor whether you are at your workstation or on the go. For anyone looking to swap digital distractions for a physical analog way to decompress, this spinning toy offers a yet mesmerizing solution to keeping the mind steady and the hands busy.